Ema in Elina. Nova prostovoljka Eđe poveže mesto in anonimnega človeka v svojih prvih vtisih o Krškem. Naši prostovoljci so se tudi udeležili festivala kratkega filma Fek v Ljubljani.
Dobrodošli, gremo Fek!
A program consisting of a wide variety of approaches and also production levels. We have amateur films, we have student films, we have professionally made short films, and they all compete together. And this is because we really want to show the best of all kinds of shorts from the former Yugoslavia, and for fact to become a referential festival for shorts from the former Yugoslavia.
Hvala vam vsem, da ste prišli na zaključek festivala kratkih kraken.
Čeprav je teden deževalo, to ni ustavilo tistih, ki so se zabavali na festivalu Generator.
I know Krško now have a live, live for 2 days, so it was amazing. Yes, it's very good. I don't care. I mean, if you have good music, what more you can expect?
So I really enjoyed the whole thing, and I'm a little bit drunk, so I really enjoy it.
I got a blondie in my bed and he a gangster. Oh, baby, writing street, I be writing this beats.
it was like, that's the party.
Mladinsko oddajo zaključujemo z ogledom 3 filmov, ki so nastali na mednarodni delavnici dokumentarnega filma.
Aupa, aupa, txitxa, bakizu ze, neska batekin nabil, eta uste maite mindutan nahola.
Maitasuna, batzutan ondo, beste batzutan esain ondo, aguanta, hoxe da maitasuna. Oain dauke, aukera, eta guk ezken dukan aukera ikan, bat egin da besti egin ibiltzeko, beti bat egin, bueno, amitxe masu hori inporta bezala, xeantxe, pa, amitxe hon bezue, taka, derri horrian, eta zuen ez da guztua lokua, zuen da guztua libertadia. Huxe dua, alkarregin ondo eman, eta hoxe da, felizidadia. Eta zueke, alkarregin ondo matemazete, ondo izango zete.
Hori da.
Lagunak ez. Zuek ondo izan, nik hoxe desitzen zuek. Ondo izan zuek. Ez da importa beste gainitzik gurtu. Alein egin ondo bizi zen. Kanon eta txintxo.
It's not easy to make your own style because you have many good painters and you must be original. You must be you. I also study math. I fly, I swim long distance. This is me and my friends, 1972 in Luxembourg. Everybody have 2 or 3 good friends. So I have many friends, maybe 2, 3 good. This is like doctor surgery. They don't think about death, blood, and just work, just do this surgery and try to save a life. I experimenting every day because this is the nice part of my profession. You can experiment, you can make mistakes and then repair these mistakes and change. So far.
To je to za avgust, se vidimo naslednji mesec.